Hello everyone, welcome to Sendel Smart QA Hub. In today's section, we are going to see mouse move on the element using Playwright. For example, here we can take this application and we can mouse move on the courses menu. Once mouse move on the courses menu, under that we can see these three options: Playwright, JavaScript, TypeScript. For example, here I want to click on the Playwright. If you want to click on the Playwright, first we have to mouse move on the courses menu. So we will write a code for to open the application, mouse move on the course menu and then click on the Playwright. So now here I'll open the VS Code. I'll give the title mouse move. First let me open the application. Await page dot go to method. This statement used to open the application. Next one, we have to mouse move on the courses. So we have to find the courses element. So I'll open the application. We are going to find the courses element, right click, inspect element. So we can use which locator for courses? We can use here text. I'll copy the courses text. Now we'll write code to find the courses. Await page dot get by text method. I'll paste text. This statement will find the courses. We are going to mouse move on the courses element. To mouse move on the courses element in Playwright, we have a over method. Dot over method. So this statement will find the courses element. Dot over method will mouse move on the courses. Right. So here this statement find the courses element and mouse move on it. After mouse move on it, we can see the three options. What are the options? Playwright, JavaScript and TypeScript. For example, here I want to click on the Playwright. Right click, inspect element. To click on the Playwright, I'll take this ID value. So now we have to find the Playwright element, page dot locator. Hash indicate the ID value, and I'll paste the ID value. This statement will find the Playwright option. Then I'll click on the Playwright. So this statement used to find the Playwright option under courses menu and click on it. After click on it, immediately the browser will be closed. I want to wait for some time and then close the browser. So page dot timeout. I'll give for 5 seconds. Now let me run this code. npx playwright text. Execution is started now. It is opening the application. Once application is loaded, it will mouse move on the courses menu. Then it will click on the Playwright option under the courses menu. So it's clicked. We got the Playwright control form and script got passed here. Thank you.